Hey there, laundry enthusiast. Ready to embark on a journey into the world of advanced dryers that will revolutionize your laundry experience? Grab your dryer sheets because we're about to explore some dryer magic that will leave your clothes feeling fresher than a field of daisies. Sensor drying technology. So, picture this, you toss your laundry into the dryer, and you're wondering if it's going to turn your clothes into crispy critters. Fear not, because sensor drying technology is here. Brands: LG, Samsung, Whirlpool. Steam refresh. Ever pulled your clothes out of the dryer and they look like they've been in a wrestling match with wrinkles? Say hello to steam refresh. Brands: LG, Samsung, Electrolux. Heat pump technology. Ready to save money while you dry? Heat pump technology is your dryer's frugal best friend. Brands: Bosch, LG, Miele. Smart connectivity. Imagine controlling your dryer from the comfort of your couch with a cup of hot cocoa in hand. Smart connectivity makes it a reality. Brands: Samsung, LG, GE appliances. Rapid dry cycles. Running late but need fresh clothes? Rapid dry cycles to the rescue. It's like a time warp for your laundry. Brands: Maytag, Bosch, Whirlpool. Wrinkle Prevention. Hate ironing? So do we. Wrinkle Prevention is your knight in shining armor. No more wrinkle warfare. Brands: LG, Samsung, Electrolux. Noise reduction technology. Remember the days when your dryer sounded like a rock concert in your laundry room? Noise reduction technology to the rescue. Brands: Bosch, LG, Samsung. Drum material and design. Ever had your clothes come out of the dryer looking like they've been on a roller coaster? Innovative drum designs and materials are here to save the day. Brands: Miele, Bosch, Samsung. Eco-friendly drying. Want to be a laundry eco-hero? Dryers with eco-friendly features are here to save the planet, one load at a time. Brands: LG, Samsung, Electrolux. There you have it, a laundry list of incredible dryer features that will make your laundry days a breeze. Now, go forth and conquer your laundry with these high-tech dryer marvels. Your clothes will thank you, your energy bills will thank you, and you'll have more time for the things that truly matter, like binge watching your favorite TV show. Happy drying!